In this tutorial, we will see that how you can upload video on Google Drive and share link in just few easy steps. So for the first step, open any of the browser and simply search for Google Drive. Open it and here it will show you its official website of Google Drive. Simply open it and click on this Go to Drive. It will take you to your Google Drive. So firstly you have to upload a file. On left side you will see this new button. If you click on that, it will show you these two options to upload. To upload file or a folder. So I'm selecting file. Select any of the file that you want to upload and then click open. It will start uploading. You can see here on right bottom side. After uploading, it will show you this folder to show file location. Click on that and here is the file. To share its link, if you click on these three dots, it will show you this share option. From this share, you have to click on this share icon again, where it will show you its general access, which is restricted. Open it and simply select anyone with the link. Then you can simply copy its link and click done. And now you can share this link via email or any other app. So that's how you can upload video on Google Drive and share its link in just few easy steps.